And hello everyone and welcome to my video. So today I'm going to show you how you can get your Minaal backpack for a little discount. So first you have to go here, make giftcard.com/Minaal, and here you can generate a free promo/gift voucher code. So just select the size and press generate and wait for a moment. Okay, so here click on the box and now copy the code what you generated, and then I'm just gonna try my code on the Minaal. And here let me add this daily bag to the shopping cart. Let's go to the vehicle cart and let's continue to checkout. And here on the checkout page we can apply the code. So let's paste in the code and let's click the apply. And now you can see that the discount has been applied.